Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'm creating about I want to hire somebody in Fiverr. What I want to do, I will be customizing my YouTube channel. So what I need to do, I need to change this channel art. I also need to change the channel logo. What you normally do, you come to customize. Once you come to customize, you'll get an option of what to do. I can see I already have a channel trailer. Channel trailer is where I have made an introduction trying to brief the public what I do. So what we need to do is we need to come to branding. What I need to change is this profile picture and the channel banner. So what we normally do the very first thing you normally do, come to my YouTube channel. You'll find, in case you need to reach me out through my WhatsApp number. And secondly, you need to hire somebody in Fiverr. When you click the next button, you will find my profile in Fiverr. Fiverr is a world largest freelance service market where it is a platform where you create a gig, sign up and set up the gig and the offer that you're working. This is a platform that has a mission. Its mission is to change how the worlds work together. It connects businesses with freelance offering digital services. So when we come here, we'll come here and we'll be able to sign in for Fiverr. We'll just sign up with my Facebook, and this is Fiverr. This is my gig. In case you need any statistics work done, I'll be able to. These are my gigs. I normally make the Facebook trailers for people. I analyze data using SPSS. That is my niche, and using SPSS and Excel. In case you need any expertise, I'll be able to assist you. But for this time, we are focusing and buying. We'll switch into buying mode. Once we switch into buying mode, we want to hire somebody. We want to hire somebody to create for us a channel logo and the channel art. For the video trailer, we can see, as I open my channel, we can see I already have a trailer where I'm saying welcome to my YouTube channel, where I have clearly described what I'm doing. I see internet is taking some time to load. So basically, what we will do is we'll come here and Fiverr will be able to hire someone, and upon hiring someone, they will be able to assist us. So we'll come and switch into buying mode. Once we switch into buying mode, we'll find one of the guys. We can see this is the guy called Nadi Max. I'll design you a YouTube logo, your logo introduction at $5. So it's very cheap. So we'll come here and we'll be able to see. We'll see what they're offering on their gig. They say creating YouTube channel, designing active channel, local channel art, thumbnails, and creating channel with descriptions, logo, and channel art. So they will charge in $5. We'll first be able to contact them. Once we contact them, we'll be able to see. We'll be able to have a chat. We'll tell them what we want. Do you have any color or suggestion of a logo? Okay, I'll perfectly design for you. No color. So we'll tell them about they are telling us this is our chat. I was able to describe to them what I want. I'm able to tell them create an offer and I will pay. Hurry up. This is the offer that they created. They tell me I will design you a logo and introduction. I'm supposed to pick up on the offer. So I'm telling them to create for me a profile picture. Profile picture will appear where your channel is presented on YouTube next to your video, and comment section. It's recommended to use a profile picture that is at least 98 by 98 megapixels. So when we come here to my YouTube channel, we'll be able see where what we want. When I come to my your channel, this is what I want. I want a logo. We or to change the logo and channel art. When we come to customize, we'll be able to get those channel customization. It tells us for a profile picture we need something less than 4 MBs and at least use PNG or JPEG. No animation, that is what YouTube describes. Then it tells us for best result, all devices images at least should be 20 by 48, 11 by 20 by 20 by 48 by 11 by 52 pixels, and 6 MBs or less. So that those are the two things that we need to create. So we will come, this is our channel link. So we'll come here in Fiverr and we'll be able, I've described for the guy everything. I've told him the minimum dimensions of the image, the way it should be. I've connected them to my channel. I've sent them my channel description of what I do. Lifestyle tutorial is a YouTube channel that focuses on normal man's lifestyle. Considering into today's world, we must be finding things like KRA. My YouTube channel focuses on solving about payment methods using PayPal, Payoneer, and other platform. I've really clearly described them. We've been able to chat. I've tell them use this as the background place. This is my picture when as I graduated. So it will be when you are hiring somebody, ensure you fill all the details. This is my graduation picture. So we'll be able to, so now he has created an offer. I'm supposed to say continue. Once they say that the offer include it's only 1 day time. When it comes to payment, I have an option either to pay via card, or where I should fill my card credit information. I also have an option here of picking PayPal. I'll be paying directly using my PayPal. They are charging me $5 and a service charge of $2. I'll remove this. I don't want to remember PayPal to remember for me for future, for in case for future payments. So I'll come here. This is my PayPal. I will key in my password, and I'll will be able to log in, and I'll be able to pay. Let me put my PayPal details and we continue. In case I normally keep seeking for this service, I'll say stay logged in for faster payment, but I will just not click that option since I don't want my PayPal to be logged in. So we will be using Fiverr, where browser and in case you need any assistance of being assisted either to make a channel trailer as I made mine, and in case you need assistance for your cash has been held in Payoneer, in case you have disputes that you want to resolve in PayPal, or cash has been held, or any query using the Payoneer, I'll be able to assist you. So at a low cost, we are almost $5 or $10. I don't overcharge. So ensure you reach me out. So it tells me, hey Edward, ensure that I pay now. Once I click pay now, I'll have paid. I'll be able to have paid for the service, and they'll be responding to me. It tells me just a second, we are working out the details. Yeah, in a second, I know it will have worked out. Thank you for your purchase. Submit the required and start your order. The seller needs to the following information to start working on your order. Would you mind satisfying my order? The information I provide is accurate and complete. Any change will require the seller approval or may be objected to additional cost. So I need to key in to state all that I need here. Would you mind satisfying my order? So I will be able to click, and they will be able to work in on my order, submit the requirements. These the requirements. I'll copy paste everything that I need done in my channel. In my For this task, I'll go one on one. So basically, after making the pay, thank you for your purchase. A receipt was sent to your email. Then they tell me submit the requirement and start your order. The seller needs the following information to start working on your order. I have described to the seller what they need. I tell them design very attractive channel logo, channel art from the YouTube channel. I've sent them my link to my channel. Create a channel description, design a logo, design an art. I've told them the banner image guidelines. It should be 28 by 1160. I've also, you have to describe very details. Then I've told them ensure that you create me a channel art. You create a channel art that has PayPal, Payoneer, Cheaper Cash, M-Pesa, Skrill, transfer wise, world remit aspect is shown in my channel art. Maybe it may be the logo there, the logo in my channel art. Basically, main point is to show that I resolve on international payments. So go ahead. That is the description. The information I provided is accurate, and any changes will require the seller's approval and may be subjected to additional cost. I'll have to click that. Then I will be good to start an order. Once I click starting an order, it tells me your order is now your order is now in the work. We notified Nadia about your order, and you should receive the order by November 2nd, 7:37 a.m. It tells me that you placed an order November 1st, 7:37 a.m. and your order was started. It should be delivered by today. Order is placed. Requirements submitted. Order in on progress. Then review the delivery. Complete the delivery, and I'll be able to have something to share with Nadia. So in case I need to share with them something officially, I'll be able to use these requirements. So I have the details. I will I've been charged $5 service charge or $7. So the requirements are here. Nadia has all the requirements. Yeah. Then delivery, the best thing, once they deliver, I'll be given a chance either to rate them. So today's tutorial was how to create an order on Fiverr for a channel art or for your YouTube channel. So ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. Thank you for sticking with me. At least I educated you with a way to undergo for your YouTube logo. Make sure you use Nadi Max. He is very competent, and I will be showing you what he will deliver for me. Thank you. Share with Nadi. Tell them, ensure that you use the background image that I sent you in my with my university gown as my background. You have the image in the charts. I'll be able to send them. So upon going to the email, they have sent us that this is the first email. It tells me you received an offer from Nadi Max. This is the offer. The offer was for $5 within 1 day delivery. I'll design you a logo. So the next email was you received messages, any message that from now that I'll be receiving from the designer I'll be getting. Then this is the receipt for the payment. It tells me your proof of doing. Hey, congrats. I've described them. Then in case of everything, in case I'll have all the details. In case I need to view my order details, I have it here. Thank you for sticking with me to my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. So that is the way how to make an order via Fiverr, and you'll get services at a very cheaper price. Thank you for sticking with me.